I'm eating my hair while I'm recording the video. Hello everyone, my name is Sabina and this is the first video of the year, and I'm excited to share a project I worked on last year, not just to show the final result, but also to talk about the process, my thoughts, and what I learned along the way, and I hope you enjoy it. Before I reveal the final result, I want to share honest thoughts. Sometimes projects take time, and most of the time they take a lot of time, right? And this one was more about understanding how the software works and even exploring certain concepts related to physics. And this project was a learning experience. It's only my second, let's say, big 3D project, and as a graphic and digital designer who usually works in 2D, this has been an incredible, exciting experience for me. Last year, I made a conscious decision to start implementing 3D even into my work whenever possible. And it's been fascinating, and I really enjoyed the process of learning and experimenting, even though I will be extremely honest, it's not always as smooth and easy. I don't always understand how certain things work, but I think it's the journey of exploration in new software, a new field of knowledge. This video, I actually want to encourage all creatives, designers, exploring new dimensions, new software, because new skills is a beautiful journey, and you don't have to stay confined to one niche. But that's absolutely fine if you decide that you want to stay confined to one niche, and that's a beautiful choice. What I'm trying to say is that I personally love experimenting, exploring different areas, and even if I struggle at first, I will ask questions, I will do my research, I will find a way to understand it, even though the speed is not always as fast as I would like it to be. It's all about blending creativity. There's a bit of physics to make the project more dynamic and more interesting in some way. And maybe one day I will watch this video and think, you actually found something very important in your life, and it's great that you decided to explore. It's great that you decided to explore new things, and when there will be a certain moment in my life, I will bring all these pieces together. Last year, I realized that I can make my job even more exciting if I start learning new skill that I can implement into my work. There were some projects where I realized, that's actually a very exciting project for me. I explored new areas for me. I learned new skill along the way. And that was an exciting opportunity for me as a designer. And yeah, everyone is different. I know incredible designers who prefer to stick to one niche. I don't know that there are artists who are better than anyone else. All artists, all designers are so unique in their own way. We all can learn from each other. We all can inspire each other, and I hope you're going to enjoy this video, the process, the behind the scenes, the result, and just me talking in front of the camera. After coming back from my break, I gradually got more into it over the last few months. I immersed myself in the project, and it wasn't always smooth sailing. There were definitely moments where I felt stuck, especially when unexpected challenges like the floating bubbles took more time and effort than I anticipated. Through patience, curiosity, and some helpful guidance along the way, I managed to push through. Ultimately, I learned that perfection isn't always the goal. It's about growth and seeing the project through. I'm grateful for the journey and the lessons it brought me. As the design started to take shape, this project became more than just a concept or a visual experiment. It turned into a way for me to slow down, learn something new, and challenge myself creatively. I wanted to see how far I can push my skills and whether I could turn an idea in my head into something tangible. I know this Game Boy could have been pushed into further, more layers, more details, and a very different look altogether. But at some point, I made a conscious decision, a conscious choice to keep it this way. I wanted to honor the idea as it was initially and finish it in 2025 and move into the new year with a sense of closure and fresh creative energy. I wanted this Game Boy to reflect my own taste and style, something I would genuinely enjoy. The glass surface lets you see the inner workings, and the tactile buttons give it a nice nostalgic feel. It's all about creating something I love. Sometimes you start a project because you don't fully know how to do it and want to push yourself. Other times you keep going even when you feel tired or unsure. For me, this Game Boy was both, and I think some of you creatives can really relate. But the idea of finishing something I truly cared about kept pulling me forward and seeing it through. From a simple sketch to a final piece made it worth the effort. I want this channel to be professional but also honest. Creative work isn't about perfection, it's about curiosity, persistence, and choosing to finish what you start. Here are a few renders, followed by the final animation. Now that we are in 2026, I'm curious, what creative challenges are you excited to tackle this year? I wish you a beautiful day and hopefully see you soon.